Welcome to livingpianos.com. I'm Robert Estrin, playing one of the great American studio pianos. This Charles Walter piano from 1986 is an extraordinary upright piano. There's so much to talk about this American-made piano, and I want to tell you all about it, but let's have some music first. I'm going to play first to show you the delicate action, the sound this piano is able to produce. In Mozart, it's astounding. This G major sonata K283, I'm going to play the exposition of the first movement for you. Beautiful action, very even, inviting piano to play. So what's so special about Charles Walter? The fact that it's one of the last American piano companies. Years ago, there were hundreds of companies making pianos in the United States. These pianos are built with such robust design. The back posts are massive. More than that, you've got longer strings. The bass strings, because of the unique geometry of the piano, it allows for longer bass strings to get a really rich bass. Also, for a piano of its size, a studio upright, the soundboard has more area, so you get the sound of a larger piano. There are all kinds of design cues here. The pinblock is 29 plies of wood. It's almost unheard of to have a piano built to these kind of standards. And you can really hear what this instrument is capable of. To show you, I'm going to play a little excerpt of the Chopin Military Polonaise. Listen, on this piano, a 45-inch studio piano, you'll be amazed at the sound. So, an instrument that can fit almost anywhere, and it's also incredibly robust design. You can roll it around because it comes with nice double wheel casters that can roll because they're rubber. So even on a nice floor like this, it's easy to move this around, which can be a real godsend in a lot of situations. I'm going to close by playing something that shows real expressive nuance. Another piece of Chopin, the beginning of the A-flat Ballade, Chopin's third Ballade. It's got that classic, warm American sound that is so rare today. And this piano is in excellent condition, built in 1986. It hasn't had a great deal of play. The furniture is gorgeous with a semi-gloss, something you don't see very often either. Beautiful wood. I am Robert Estrin, and this is livingpianos.com, your online piano resource. I hope you like this piano. I'm interested in your opinion about what you've just heard and what you've seen here. You can leave comments here on livingpianos.com and YouTube. See you next time.